Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about AXS Infinity guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of AXS Infinity, and I will also share the latest price update of AXS Infinity. So keep watch this video complete, and also make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the crypto market. Guys, the live price of AXS Infinity in the market is 64.66 USD dollar. 64.66 USD dollar is the live price of AXS Infinity. And furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes occur in AXS Infinity, the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in AXS Infinity in the market is completely going decrease. I mean, from the last 7 days, the AXS Infinity price falls down, and still guys, you can see here that is the last 1 day, and if you look the last 1 day changes update, so negative 14.81% the changes of AXS Infinity falls down. So this everything is going wrong in the market, guys. What should we do at this time in a right now situation? I recommend for you that please hold. If you hold, so absolutely you will get a high profit, because now I know in a right now situation the AXS Infinity is completely in the loss, but in the future possibilities that the price will pump and you get a high price. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this update video. On the basis of the currently live update, I recommend for all of you, especially for my viewers, my subscriber, that holding is the best way to save yourself from loss. Thanks for watching.